Antarctica.
I do wish more people could see it.
If they could stand it.
Minus 55 degrees Fahrenheit with the wind chill.
This week on the podcast, I've got questions. What's it like to live there, to be part of one of the research teams? What do they study? Do they feel disconnected?
We don't have Netflix. Our internet is actually very slow. It's all satellite-based.
Also, the South Pole, 2 sticks in the ground or the ice, one of them red and white stripes. I didn't believe him at first. Mike Simpson, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
You can find I've Got Questions on Odyssey or wherever you get your podcasts. You can also send us questions. You have a link to do that at KNX News. CBS Battleground Tracker poll out showing that Republicans still projected to win back the House and that momentum for the Democrats appears to be stalling. That story's coming up at the top of the hour. Right now, 8:55. Time for a look at your traffic. Here's Tim Green.
Some kind of hazard in lanes 10 westbound at Fairplex Drive. Highway Patrol headed out there to get it out of your way. It's something you see. 1070. 110 northbound at the 101 now, setting up the cones for some Caltrans maintenance. On the 710 north at the 91, they are going to close that transition road until 2 p.m. today to try to get a little bit more work done. Also across Orange County, we've had a crash. 5 north, Camino Las Robles, 2 right lanes taken away after a crash and possibly a car fire blocking that off-ramp. So details to come there. Out by LAX, Worldway Circle, you'll find that things are about half full right now. Pretty easy to get in and out and to your destination. And the 710 north of the 10, unavailable if you want to go into Alhambra or South Pasadena. They're doing some filming today. Next traffic report, 9:05 at the Puente Hills Hyundai 24-hour traffic center.
Partly cloudy skies today, highs in the 60s, the beaches, 70s inland, in the valleys. Overnight lows tonight, down into the 50s. Going to be sunny tomorrow, except for some clouds hanging around on the coast. Warming is getting up to the 70s and 80s. Got a rapid warming trend lasting all the way through Wednesday, and then things will cool down again heading into next weekend. Right now, 57 degrees in Malibu. We have 58 in Santa Clarita and 62 degrees in Orange. Among our top stories, last-minute negotiations underway in Orange County to avoid a bus strike supposed to begin tomorrow. And protesters taking to the streets calling for more L.A. City Council resignations. These stories and more news coming up in 3 minutes. It's 8:07.
Home title theft. It's on the rise, and it's devastating if it happens to you. To the alarming words of an actual home title thief.
I don't need to know your date of birth and social security number. All I have to do is go to public records, create a document, and file that document. And then I can borrow against the house or sell the house. You may have no clue until you find out that your house has been sold or till several loans or several banks are foreclosing on you.
For pennies a day, Home Title Lock puts a virtual barrier of protection around your home's title with 24/7 monitoring. The instant they detect any tampering, you'll get an alert. And that's bad news for home title thieves.
So the problem with a company like Home Title Lock is that they can
HomeTitleLock.com. That's HomeTitleLock.com. HomeTitleLock.com.
Accident or injury.
What you've heard about probiotics is probably wrong. I eat yogurt, so I don't need to take a probiotic. Probiotics? They don't really work. It's time to learn the truth about probiotics from Align, the probiotic brand recommended by gastroenterologists 2 times more than any other probiotic brand. Align has naturally help relieve occasional bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. Try Align for a month and see how great a healthy gut can feel at AlignProbiotics.com.
New vehicles are arriving daily at your Toyota dealer, like the powerful and rugged Tacoma TRD Sport, with its legendary durability and proven capability. And with great end-of-summer sales, an incredible deal on a new Tacoma TRD Sport. Choose a special lease, low APR, or even cash back on the Toyota truck you've always wanted. Make it easy. See your Toyota dealer today for details on the summer's final deals.
It's easy to buy or lease any new Toyota and easy to own one. Every new Toyota comes with Toyota Care no-cost maintenance. You're covered for all normal factory scheduled service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. Technicians using genuine Toyota parts. See your dealer for Toyota Care details and exclusions. Valid only in the continental U.S. and Alaska. We make it easy on you. Toyota, let's go places. From the GetRefunds.com studios.
KNX AM FM and HD Los Angeles.
And always live on the free Odyssey app.
This is KNX News 97.1 FM.
All that matters to you in Southern California.
In top local story, Orange County bus riders could be stranded by a strike as soon as tomorrow. Demands for the resignations of 2 LA City Council members and tears flowing at a vigil for a man killed in a crash in Pomona. These stories all coming up on KNX News 97.1 FM. It's 9 o'clock.
This is News on the Hour, sponsored by Liberty Mutual Insurance.
I'm Linda Kenyon in Washington. The midterm elections are just around the corner, and a new CBS News Battleground Tracker poll shows President Biden's handling of the economy appears to be on the ballot.
2/3 of people do say they think the administration could be doing more. So all that nets out. Democrats are still losing people for whom the economy is the most important issue. They're still trailing with people who say that their financial situation isn't good.
CBS News Elections and Surveys Director Anthony Salvanto on Face the Nation. President on the economy.
President Biden wrapped up his West Coast swing with a final stop in Oregon touting his legislative victories, including the Inflation Reduction Act.
There's a lot in here that lowers the everyday cost for middle-class families.
Mr. Biden's trip caps a 4-day stretch where he keyed in on his administration's work so far, as the clock ticks with the midterm elections a few weeks away. In power on
Henry. Former President Trump's post on Truth Social this morning says American Jews don't seem to appreciate what he's done for Israel. Political science professor Larry Sabato responds.
Maybe it's in terms of the contributions being made to his favorite Republican candidate, the contributions being made to Democrats that he particularly dislikes. It's impossible to know whether this was aimed at one person or a small group of people or American Jews in the entirety.
Congressman Adam Kinzinger, who serves on the January 6th committee, tells ABC the work.
And I know that, the craziest conspiracy theories kid in 10 years is going to believe that it was Donald Trump that started January 6th. So all these conspiracies today will go away, largely because of the work we've done.
An arrest in the serial murders of 6 men in Stockton, California. Police Chief Stanley McFadden.
As officers made contact with him, he was wearing dark clothing and had a mask around his neck. He was also armed with a firearm when he was taken into custody. We are sure we stopped another killing.
What a night in Major League Baseball.
Houston will be in the American League Championship Series for the 6th straight year after a 3-game sweep of Seattle in the division championship. The Astros beat the Mariners 1-0 after a homer by Jeremy Pena in the 18th inning. And the Philadelphia Phillies advanced to the NLCS with an 8-3. The Atlanta Braves. They'll face San Diego Tuesday after the Padres stunned the 111-win Los Angeles Dodgers to win the division series in 4 games.
This is CBS News.
Liberty Mutual customizes your car and home insurance, so you only pay for what you need. Visit libertymutual.com to learn more.
Finding the right Medicare plan? Oof, no. I like those dances my granddaughter loves making me do. But then I found Walgreens Find RX coverage. Lets you compare plans online, over the phone, or in person. Made Medicare shopping so easy. Plus, I found plans with low-cost copays. I can get down with that.